Okay, the next thing we're going to do is to check the build-up time of the compressor. And this is very important. So the way we do this bus is running right now. Let me show you. This is an inspection that I created by getting stuff from all of the companies across the country. Okay, here's the air compressor test, as you can see right there. We need to build the pressure and bleed it down to 50, and it can take no more than 5 minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to run it up. Now we're going to pump it down 50 pounds. All right, then we're going to time it. I can tell you right now, this
the applied pressure test?
The bus cannot take more than, let me start this again. Okay, let's bring the bus down to 50 pounds. Let's start it. Okay, right here. We have this set at 5 minutes. This bus has to pump up within 5 minutes. This applies to all buses. If the compressor does not pump up within 5 minutes, you need to investigate the compressor.
Where is it supposed to stop at? What pressure?
Well, it has to pump to 90 pounds within 5 minutes. This bus is not going to pass, I can tell you right now.
Because of the leak we found earlier, right?
Well, it was taking too long to pump up. Remember how to get rivet, see?
Yeah.
And it's like stuck right here, which is telling us that we have a problem. See, we're barely at 74 pounds, and we've already gone through 3 minutes, so in other words, we have a little less than 3 minutes to get to 90 pounds, and it doesn't look like it's going to make it. You see the gauge is stuck right there, so we have a problem here, see. Now, through my experience, I know now to turn it off, it's not going to pass. But for other people, if you want to check it, you can check your own bus and run it up to 90 pounds. If it's less than 5 minutes, it's okay. But I'm going to stop it right now.
So that's a fail.
Okay, this fails. And on here, we're going to write down more than 5 minutes. And then we're going to go back over to the front page. And we're going to write up BO.
What's BO?
Bad order. Less than 5 minutes.
Oh.
Okay, this bus does not have a low water indicator.
Oh yeah.
It has an emergency door. Let's see if this is. Yeah, this bus